Recently, I went to an elderly couple's home and they were really struggling. The husband, man, he was hacking and coughing and he couldn't sleep at all, hadn't slept in days, and just really struggling. So I show up at their house and their PM 2.5 particles, those are the ultrafine particles. They go straight into your bloodstream basically. And VOCs were just almost pegged out, just incredibly high. And I was like, you guys need to crack your windows, like, while we're coming up with a plan. So they went around and cracked all their windows just a little bit. That night he started sleeping. I came back a week later for the follow-up. He was like a different man.